This is a home automation information and sound system. When it's not being used is, as you can see, a digital picture frame. So let's start off by zooming in a bit and I'll take you through what it can do. Okay, so first if we just touch the screen, then we're into the information system. So on the top here we've got the weather forecast using some nice icons. We've got a summary just underneath, maybe difficult to see, and just clicking on any of the days, the summary changes to the summary of that day. Then in the main area here we've got Google Calendar, so we can see what's being planned. And on this side we've got the sound and the automation system, because in addition to the sound system, we've got all the aspects of home automation. So this is just a little routine for switching on an electric blanket at a set time. But if we go back now to the radio music system, we can run it either as a radio or an MP3 player. If we go to the MP3 player, we can add a playlist and then press start and off it goes. I've got volume control there. Okay, just turn that off. And it's also an internet radio system, so if I just turn the radio on, we've got Radio 4.
Across the water, we're going between two major cities, it can be much cheaper to fly than take the train. That's not right,
okay.
And that's
so there we are, some discussion on Radio 4. We'll turn that off. Now, that's just the front screen. If we do the page down from here, this now is a new screen. So what I've got on the left-hand side here is news from the BBC, and on the right-hand side, this is news from BBC World, which obviously has a more international flavour. And these scroll through as new tweets come through on Twitter. And if we go down again, now we've got Google Maps. So I've got this set to the local area and included traffic on it as well. And if we go down again, the last screen is blank at the moment because I don't have my webcam connected, but if it was, we'd have the webcam the picture displayed here. If we go back up to home, we're back up to the front screen. And if we just go back to one more, and also we can do a sort of a pinch and zoom and a move around on the display of Google. So okay, I hope that gives you a good feeling for how the system operates. Thank you very much.